Good morning, 1A friends. Welcome to Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. My hope is that we will all be back together tomorrow morning for our morning message. So, this should be your last day that you are working on a choice board on your own. Let's take a look at what our choice board has for today. I've included some reading across the top again. You have some math activities. Your special today will be PE. We are going to look at a little bit of science today. And then just a reminder, make sure you're taking a break when your body needs it. For reading, one of your activities is in your phonics workbook. It's going to be that tear out book. It's on pages 157 to 158. The book that you get to read today is called The King's Song. You can rip that out. Remember to fold it in half so that it's like a book. And then make sure you go to Seesaw and read it to me like a read aloud. I'd love to hear your reading. Another reading activity is in your high frequency word notebook. It's on page 41. Today, the word you're working on is WAS, was. And finally, for reading, you can do a little listen to reading today. Head over to Epic. Remember, you can get there through our Google Classroom under the yellow star are important links. Head over to Epic and you can listen to books read to you. For math, you'll spend a little bit of time on happy numbers today. And then I included another read it, draw it, solve it. You'll notice for this one that we have a bar model here today. You might want to use that bar model to help you as you solve this math problem. Your special today is PE. And for science, I included a book that I've read to you called Animals in Winter. And then you're going to get to pick one of those animals after you've listened to the story read to you. And I want you to draw a picture of how they spend their time in winter. Don't forget to add some labels to it using words to describe different things in your picture. Remember to make sure you're taking breaks as you need it. Rest your brain. If you're feeling tired, get up and move around. Grab a drink of water. Friends, you did a great job yesterday sending me pictures of your work and even recording some of your writing to me. I really appreciate that. Please do that again today. I really hope you all have a wonderful day, and I am so excited to be back with you tomorrow morning. Have a great day, friends.